by a crisis of expectation. Many believe that if the truth is spoken, it will naturally be accepted. Some feel God must always be visible and tangible in our lives. Others expect that faithfulness should automatically lead to results. But what happens when these assumptions are challenged by reality?
Let's consider the story of Elijah. After experiencing a great victory, he quickly descended into despair. Instead of acceptance, his message was rejected. This reminds us that even with undeniable truth, people can choose to turn away and ignore what is right in front of them.
History repeats this prophetic pattern. Jeremiah was rejected by his people. Isaiah too was largely ignored. Even Jesus himself was crucified. The reality is that standing for truth often means facing resistance, not applause. In these moments of struggle, Elijah felt utterly alone. His perception was isolation, believing he was the only one left standing for God. But often, what we perceive does not reflect the reality God sees or the support that actually exists. There's a strong contrast between Elijah and Jonah. Elijah was rejected but remained faithful. Jonah experienced outward success, but his heart was misaligned with God. Both faced discouragement in different ways, showing us that external results don't always reflect true spiritual alignment. Faithful Christians throughout history have faced similar challenges. The early church endured persecution. The great reformers met fierce opposition. Missionaries often persevered through hardship and isolation. Their endurance is a testament to the call to remain steadfast, even when results aren't visible. To many, true holiness may look extreme, and the message of the cross can seem offensive. Often, the truth sounds strange or uncomfortable, but that's precisely why it stands out and demands our attention. We search for God in the spectacular and grand, yet He often meets us in quietness. God is not always found in signs and wonders, but in the gentle, steadfast presence that comforts and guides us. Today, especially in the prosperity era, we face new challenges. Success is often equated with faithfulness, and visible results are seen as proof of God's presence. But the reality is that faithfulness can exist without visible success, and God's presence is not limited to what is seen. In light of this, we are called to faithfulness. Preach the word boldly, without compromise. Let your commitment be to truth, regardless of popularity or visible results. The final message is this: truth may at times stand alone, but it never stands without God. No matter how isolated we feel, we are never truly alone when we stand for Him. Welcome to this discussion on faithful preaching in an age marked by confusion and distortion. Today we explore the theme, When Truth Feels Alone, and discover afresh the call to stand unwaveringly for the truth.